Hi, it's Jenny with Jenny's Wreath Boutique, and in this video I'm going to show you two one-of-a-kind wreaths that I'm going to be making out of leftover supplies. I like to do this kind of thing to kind of clean up my garage area, clean up my extra florals that I'm not planning on buying again, so I can make room for new things and so I can make room for lots of large orders of supplies so I can make more wreath making kits for you guys because you have wanted them and they sell out so fast, so I'm going to try and do more of those. So I've gone through my extra supplies that I have in boxes and just random places, things that I don't have a ton left over of, and I've come up with two different big bouquets. I like to put things together in bouquets according to color. I kind of pick out the leaves and the florals according to color, or one piece starts it. So I'm going to show you what I have. This is my bouquet. I have some yellow. I also recently just did a yellow wreath live with you guys, and it's really similar to this. I'm using a lot of the same florals. So I just picked out some greenery. I like to keep good quality greenery on hand all the time. I have a whole video on my top 10 favorite kinds of greenery. These are wholesale ones, but I do offer them in my shop. These are camellia stems, and the leaves are so good, and I thought the dark colored leaves and the broad leaf would kind of give your eye a rest with all this stuff going on, but it really complements the yellow color really well. And I just have an assortment of yellow, green, and a little bit of white, and I love these echinaceas with the yellow. I think it's so pretty. The second wreath I'm going to make has such a fun mixture of colors. It was inspired by these berries that have some yellow and coral pink. So I've got some yellowish, kind of lime green, greenery, really warm colors. And then I've got some coral colored flowers, some darker pink, and then some peaches, because I thought the peaches really mimicked the color in these berries really well. So that's why I picked these. All right, let's get into the wreaths. right, here they are. Totally different, but very similar. I love the peach and lime green and yellow in this one. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. I love the colors. What do you guys think? And then, of course, yellow, very summery. All right, let me know which one was your favorite, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.